Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to the FunnelX ROI case study series. Really excited to release this for you guys. FunnelX has been one of the greatest successes that I've had due to the fact that it converts so well. And David just does a great job of educating your visitors, your prospects, and then upgrading them to the different income streams within the FunnelX ROI system. So what you're seeing right now, of course, is the homepage of FunnelX ROI. It's the welcome page when you first log in. If you go to funnelxroi.com, it's not going to take you to this page. You got to log in first. And if you don't have an account, you can't just go out and get an account unless it's from somebody that has an actual affiliate link. Okay, so what we're going to do in this video, this is kind of an overview video of what we're going to be getting into to help you succeed a lot faster with FunnelX ROI. So you're going to get access to the email templates. You're going to get access to the funnels. You're going to get access to the sales videos that I use to create massive success within my FunnelX ROI business. If you haven't checked out my video proof here, you can head over to my YouTube page. You can just go to youtube.com, type in Joshua Elder, come to my page here and go to the video section, and you can see that I've been documenting my progress with the FunnelX ROI system for about a month now. And about 4 days ago, I released a video showing people results that I've generated roughly $34,000. I think that was in 32 days. So we're doing over $1,000 a day, which is pretty dang awesome. And I've made a lot of money since 4 days ago. So this is something that has worked extremely well for me. It's going to work really well for you too as well, I believe. Okay, that's not any guarantee. I believe it'll work well for you if you take what I teach you and really implement it and see things through. Okay, so you're going to have the ability to get access to all these videos, these case study series videos that I used in my own marketing. You're going to be able to use that in your own marketing. So you can sort of stand on the shoulders of giants, so to speak, right? One of the fastest ways to success is to leverage other people's successes. So you're going to have the ability to leverage my videos, my case study series. And what I love about this is I'm actually showing people the process of building my FunnelX ROI business so they can see that I'm implementing the training that's within the FunnelX ROI system, and they're seeing the growth and the progress from that. So there's nothing better than demonstrating that a product or a service is working and showing it live over the shoulder. So you're going to have the ability to get access to all these assets that I've put out as far as videos are concerned. You're also going to be able to get access to some funnels that I've used. Okay, you're going to be able to copy the funnels that I've used in my FunnelX ROI business. You're going to be able to use those same funnels inside of your business. So you will need ClickFunnels to be able to do this. I know there's a lot of people using tons of different tools out there. I use numerous tools as well. I not only have ClickFunnels, but I also have a software called Kartra, web-based software called Kartra, which has a built-in autoresponder. It has a built-in funnel software. It has a built-in customer service desk. It has a lot of things built into it. But one of the things that I love about ClickFunnels is that I can share my funnels with you, which means you can directly import my funnels into your ClickFunnels account. So you're not having to go in and learn all the techie stuff, and you're not having to look at my funnel and then try to copy it with the software that you're using. So instead of doing that, what you can do, for example, is you can take this funnel that I've got right here. This is the funnel that I've used pretty much all of this year that's generated a multiple six-figure income for me. You'll be able to import this directly into your account. So there's just a simple opt-in page here, and then there's a thank you page right here, which of course begins to promote the FunnelX ROI system. You'll be able to switch out your links right here too. So where this button is at, this goes to my affiliate link. You'll be able to switch that link out with your own affiliate link. And the way to do that, and of course, I'm going to be getting into a little bit more detail into this, of course, if you're not familiar already, I can just go over here and I can click share funnel, and I can share this whole entire funnel with you. So we're going to kind of walk through that together, where I'm going to show you how to do this. And if you haven't checked out the ClickFunnels section of the training, you definitely want to do that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to include some links below for some resources that will give you the foundation of ClickFunnels so you know the basics of how ClickFunnels works, because you are going to want to eventually take the training wheels off and you're going to want to learn how to build funnels. You're going to want to learn how to write emails and set up an autoresponder series and all that stuff. But for now, I just really want to give you an overview of this whole campaign before we dive into it a lot deeper. Okay, so in conjunction with that, what's really cool is you're also going to get the video follow-up series, right? These videos right here. So what I've done is I've taken these videos and I've put them on separate landing pages here. So you can see these two videos are actually different. This is my first day of results. This is my second day of results. So with my email follow-up series, you're going to be able to get these videos injected into that email follow-up series. So again, you can leverage my success. There's a lot of people that are leveraging David's results too as well, because David follows this exact same process. I actually got this process for him. He got a lot of results using it. So I'm like, hey, success leaves clues. I'm going to go ahead and model what he's doing. And that's exactly what I did. So you can choose to use his email follow-up series. You can choose to use my email follow-up series. Hey, you can use them and mold them both together if you want to do that too as well. So here's my email follow-up series that I have right here. So, you know, the first email, of course, goes to that first video. The second email, of course, goes to this video, and then so on and so forth. And so it just progressively shows my results as we move on. And of course, I'm going to keep adding email follow-ups as we go too. Again, I use Kartra as my autoresponder. You can choose to use whatever autoresponder you want. The one that David recommends, if you want to use Aweber, if you want to use, I don't necessarily recommend GetResponse. I used GetResponse for 6 years and I just finally quit GetResponse just because their deliverability was just super poor. GetResponse doesn't really like affiliates. So I like Kartra because it's made for internet marketers, by internet marketers. So that would be my personal go-to. But at the end of the day, you need to learn how to navigate whatever autoresponder you're using. And if you want to use Kartra, again, I'll include a link to ClickFunnels and Kartra below. But these are the essential tools you're going to need to be able to see this campaign through. And also, if you don't have FunnelX ROI yet, right? If you don't have this system, I'll also include a link to that. It's free to sign up. And you can feel free to check out, you know, my results videos here to learn a little bit more about it. Just simply go to my channel and you can see, you know, my FunnelX ROI review and this whole case study series showing you guys that, hey, this, you know, this system does in fact work, which is a reason why I'm creating a case study around it anyways. So with that being said, let's move on to the next video where we kind of start setting everything up that I explained to you in this video. You'll get access to all the assets, all my email follow-ups. My goal is to help you succeed as fast as possible. So we're going to help you get upgrades in your Easy1up system, which is one of the income streams right now that we have that's generating most of the money. I actually look on my screen over here. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm on my laptop over here. And just in Easy1up, that's been my biggest income stream, is $26,200. I'm going to see if I can actually pull it up right here. For some reason, it was having some problems connecting before. Okay, it looks like I can pull it up. So I always like to be transparent with you guys to show you that, you know, I'm not just spouting off random numbers. But you can see $26,200 that I brought in, and this is just over a month. Today is I think the 27th of December. These principles that I'm teaching you to will apply. They're evergreen, right? I want all my training to be as evergreen as possible. So if you're watching this in 2019, 2020, 2021, what I'm teaching here is stuff that will still apply to your business. So in a matter of about 27 days, just in one income stream, $26,200. That doesn't include the other income streams. And again, if you want to learn more about these income streams, just create a free FunnelX ROI account and then complete all the steps step by step. And if I actually just jump back over here real quick, you can see that these are all the other income streams in the thumbnail of this video. And you can see, like in these different income streams, I've generated some substantial amount of money. And so this is something you'll definitely want to plug into, take advantage of all the income streams. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're pumped, you're excited, you've seen the proof. So with that said, let's dive into the meat and let's dive into the next video.